I now connect to my intuition. I now connect to the inner wisdom within me. All the answers I need are already here. I listen to my inner voice. I listen to my heart, body, and soul. I am fully relaxed and calm. I let the right decision come to me. I trust myself and my inner wisdom. I trust the divine intelligence within me. My intuition guides and protects me in all situations. Deep in my heart, I know all the right answers. Deep in my heart, I know what to do. I value my own needs. I value my emotions. My decisions are in alignment with my values. I trust and respect myself deeply. I trust my ability to make wise decisions. I listen to the signals of my body. I listen to my intuition. I trust my inner guidance. I fully detach from other people's expectations. I detach from other people's energies and opinions. I have confidence in myself. I am the one in charge. I am the one responsible for my life. I trust the wisdom deep within my heart. I trust that my heart will tell me what to do. I am connected to my body, mind, and soul. I always receive all the necessary answers. Every decision I make is the right one for me. Everything is always working out for me. I follow my instincts with trust and confidence. I follow my inner compass. I always move into the right direction. I make choices that align with my true self. I make decisions that honor my authentic self. I am divinely guided towards my highest good. I always know what is right for me. My inner compass is guiding me. I am connected to the right path. I am connected to the best outcomes. I am open to receive the answers I seek. I listen to the intuitive messages that guide me. I trust my gut feelings to lead me in the right direction. I am in tune with my emotions. I am in tune with my body. I am in tune with the right decision. My body, mind, and spirit are connected. I feel a deep sense of calm and assurance. I am in the present moment. The answers I need are coming to me right now. I have absolute clarity. I know what I want. I know what to do. I am calm and relaxed as I make my decision. I anchor these affirmations by putting my hands on my chest and taking 3 deep, long breaths.